Hey child babes, let's get right into this look, y'all. Get into the grown and sexy burgundy. So we're doing this burgundy unit on my friend Anna. So y'all already know we start with the ball cap. You can get these skin caps linked down below. They're all on my website. Also, you can get this unit. This is a 26-inch HD 13x4 frontal. That will also be linked below. And all of the products that I use in this video is also linked in my Amazon storefront, also linked below, y'all. So as we put that ball cap on, we put a makeup shade that's closer to her skin tone, and then I put that wig on. It's already been plucked, colored, all of that. And y'all, I'm sorry if I sound so smothered. I'm a little under the weather, but y'all know I'm gonna get this content out for y'all. So we go in and cut those ear tabs out just to make sure the wig fits comfortably. So the wig can fit comfortably. And then after that, I'm going to put just a little bit of makeup on that lace just to get the ultimate melt. And y'all know I like to work in sections, so I do go in and do 2 slits. And now I'm just preparing the skin for the meltdown. I'm just using 91% alcohol, just cleaning that whole entire area. And then I'm applying a skin guard. Allow everything to dry in between. And then I went in with 4 layers of lace glue. Allowed each layer to dry completely. And then we went to go lay that lace down. And when we're laying that lace down, make sure y'all take your time. I always start with the one that's slit in the middle. I feel like this helps avoid those wrinkles and ruffles that be in the lace. But I go ahead and then go to the side, and you want to pull it as far as you can just to stretch that lace out, and then just comb it in there firmly. You really want it to melt in there. And then after that, I put her band on, and then I prepare her wig to get styled.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Oh, what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. At the door, say yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. So you're trying to leave miss. I said dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. Just one good step, one good step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. So you're trying to leave. When you're making me want to say oh. Are you trying to leave? How I love you, keep you here with me, your baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with it.
And I'm just really just being a perfectionist. I love to go in and pluck that lace out. Like, once I find out they get on the side part, oh yeah, I'm going back in that middle and I'm plucking a little one too. So yeah, that's what you see me doing. I'm going in and just plucking a little bit. I love the hot coming back. This is showing me like, oh yeah, I know exactly what it's gonna look like. So now I'm just running a little bit of bio oil up there. Y'all can get everything from my Amazon storefront. I'm telling you, everything is in there. So no hassle. So we went in and curled her hair up. That band is still on, y'all. I leave that band on until I'm done styling the whole entire back of the head. I don't know. It helps. I don't know. But yeah, y'all, make sure y'all hot comb that part where it's from the track to the frontal. Girl, get that flat. Get that flat. If you don't do nothing else, get that extremely flat. I'm telling you, you do not want a helmet head. So now we're going to finish curling her hair up. And then after I finish curling the back, we about to cut that lace off. Okay, y'all, here we go. So we about to go in and take that lace right off. Now with my HD units, you ain't even gotta worry too much because it's gonna melt regardless. I'm telling you what I know. So I go in with a razor and I'm just jagging it across that lace, okay? Do not go in a straight line. I tell y'all this every time. Do not cut that lace in a straight line. You will see it. Telling you what I know, okay? So after we cut all that lace off, I'm going to pull out her baby hairs, and then I'm going to melt her down again. Pay attention.
Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out this smooth glare. I be waiting on you some more. You ready to down low like bombs? So red boom. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put this pretty.
Alright, and now that we're melting for the second time, I'm just going to finish up her styling. I'm going to go in and curl the entire frontal. And y'all, in between my partings, make sure you wax stick and hot comb it. That is going to give you the flattest install, okay? Do not be lazy and just, no. Hot comb each piece so you ain't got no big hump on your head. Alright? And then after I finish styling, I go in and do her baby hairs and my finishing touches. But here's a little mini curl tutorial for y'all.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'll still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Even wanna start fake beef. Just a little beef in the mixtape. They know I'm
Alright, and before I comb my curls out, I do go in and do those baby hairs and just a little 1-2. So you see me just dabbing a little makeup there. So I do go in and cut my baby hairs with the razor, and I curl them downward. I don't curl them upward. Mainly, like, I'll be switching in between, depending on how I'm feeling that day. But I felt like curling downwards today. But yeah, y'all, and then I spray a little bit of ABS spray on my edge toothbrush, and I just go ahead and swoop. I like to swoop it right into the hair. Like, don't separate it. Like, have it to flow in the hair. So after I do the baby hairs, I go in and define the part. I use a concealer that is roughly like one shade lighter than the client, and then after that I finish my little touches.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings? But it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away. Simply run away. You can try to run and hide, make a difference. You can't lie to yourself.
Alright, and now we're about to get into the fun part. But I'm just throwing a little bit of layers in the front, just to frame my face, just a little bit. And then I like to comb my curls out. I'm sorry, y'all, I don't like the tight curls. I like the loose, you know, grown, sexy look, you know. So yeah, I comb those out. And y'all, that's pretty much it. That's how you slay. I'm giving y'all the tea for free, okay? But don't forget to do your part and like, comment, subscribe, etc. And like I said, everything will be linked in my description below. All of the products that I use, the hair, the caps, everything is going to be linked below, y'all. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know, I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, and my body, my body says, my mind, and my heart, my body says, I don't know what it is, I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space.